2025 Zimbabwe identified PAMIs for cholera control using the GTFCC method. Here is how it went. It all started with an inception phase to bring all stakeholders on board.
Did a stakeholders meeting where our colleagues from WHO, Nairobi Hub, Emergency Hub, oriented the whole team from the provinces, national level and district level. I remember one of the meetings that we did a series of meetings. In one of the meetings, over 100 people logged in virtually to listen to the methodology, the importance of doing these PAMIs.
Once stakeholders were fully engaged in PAMI identification, data collection and data cleaning started.
To come up with figures, data of mortality, data of cases of cholera that were reported within the wards, as well as the WASH parameters, including the vulnerability variables that were asked within the tool that we use to determine these PAMIs, to clean up our data. Although the process took a little bit longer, but we had to clean our data, we had to phone our health facilities, phoning the wards so that we have proper data, correct data in the data set.
Once all data were ready to guide data-driven decision-making on PAMI, a multi-sectoral PAMI validation workshop took place.
The process was multi-sectorial, included Ministry of Health officials, included as well local authorities, partners, as well as UN agencies supporting the process. It also allowed use of local knowledge, it was data-driven, and this allowed objectivity.
So in this process this week, we have determined that 289 wards are at highest risk for cholera, affecting more than 3.5 million people. So
as a result of PAMI identification, Zimbabwe is now prepared to target effective multi-sectoral strategies to control cholera.
I'm happy the process came out very well, so we are very excited with this work that we have done. And the first thing that I will do on Monday is also to feedback to the Honorable Minister.
This process has been important in that it then leads us to plan better for cholera prevention and control in Zimbabwe.
In terms of the benefits for the country, this process will benefit the country and it will allow the country to review the existing cholera elimination plan to a cholera control plan, while at the same time allowing and supporting the country application for preventive OCP.
Like Zimbabwe, engage in PAMI identification. All together, we can end cholera.